Unlocking with ease, the power of the wrench. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful phrase in English: loosen with a wrench. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or someone interested in DIY tasks, this video will unpack the meaning and usage of this phrase. Let's get started and unlock the potential of this expression together. Loosen with a wrench involves two key components: loosening and using a wrench. To loosen means to make something less tight or free from being fixed in place. A wrench is a tool that provides grip and mechanical advantage in applying torque to turn objects, typically nuts and bolts. So, when we put these words together, the phrase refers to using a wrench to make something less tight. This phrase is commonly used in contexts involving repair, maintenance, or assembly of objects. For example, when working on a bike, you might need to loosen a bolt to adjust the seat height. Saying, "I need to loosen this with a wrench," clearly communicates the action and the tool required. 1. Practical situations. When you're faced with anything that involves nuts, bolts, or screws that are too tight to turn by hand. 2. Instructional contexts. In manuals, guides, or during DIY project discussions, this phrase is a concise way to instruct or suggest the need for a wrench. For those who are more visual learners, imagine a scene where someone is trying to turn a stubborn bolt by hand without success. Then, they grab a wrench, fit it over the bolt, and with a turn, the bolt begins to move. This visual can help associate the physical action with the phrase, reinforcing its meaning and usage. And there you have it. The phrase, loosen with a wrench, is not just about the words but about understanding the action and context in which it's used. We hope this video has shed light on this practical phrase, enriching your English vocabulary and perhaps even your toolkit. Keep exploring and expanding your language skills, and never hesitate to reach for the right tool or the right word to get the job done. See you in the next video.